We're excited for this interview today because it gives us the opportunity to spread good news about phenomenal people going above and beyond. And I think we could all use a feel-good story this Friday morning. CalHOPE is recognizing college student athletes who show courage in the face of adversity through the CalHOPE Courage Award. Dr. Jim Cooler is here to tell us more. Welcome, Dr. Cooler.
Good morning, Desiree. Thanks for letting us join your California lifestyle.
We're excited to talk about this today. And Dr. Cooler, could you tell us about the CalHOPE Courage Award?
Absolutely. The CalHOPE Courage Award is part of the CalHOPE program. And never before have we seen athletes demonstrating vulnerability about their own mental wellness.
Yeah.
If you think about Naomi Osaka, Simone Biles, or Michael Phelps, all of these amazing athletes that we put up on pedestals have acknowledged that their mental well-being can get in the way of their performance. So the CalHOPE program, which is working to really provide resources to all of California who are feeling stressed and anxious because of the public health emergency, and who isn't?
Yeah.
We want to take a look at our athletes. Our college athletes across California are going to have the opportunity to be nominated by their college sports information director to be acknowledged for the journey they have had and the challenges they have overcome because of the adversities they have faced. And we believe that by sharing these stories of these young athletes, it will inspire all of us.
Yeah, I think it's so important that we're shedding light on mental health. And like you mentioned, people idolize professional athletes. So being able to see them speak about it and kind of having that trickle effect going down is great. And could you talk a little bit more about what is the purpose of this award?
Well, the purpose of this award, as you described, is to help us see that these athletes that sometimes we put on pedestals are human.
Yeah.
And they have some of the same challenges we have, and that we can learn from their journey and their stories. So we're really hoping that people will see these athletes, see that they've overcome adversity, and be inspired to overcome their own adversity. And then maybe even think about themselves going out and being more physical, because we know that when you get off the couch, when you get up and go outside, your mental wellness is improved just by moving.
I agree. And we're talking about professional athletes. And I understand an NFL Hall of Famer is associated with this award. Could you tell us who it is and their involvement?
Well, we're very fortunate to have Mr. Ronnie Lott, a four-time Super Bowl winner and Hall of Fame member, as our key spokesperson. And he is the co-chair of the Governor's Council on Physical Fitness and Mental Well-Being. And as we enter into the Olympics, we can think about a few other members of that council who are Olympians. We've got Cheryl Miller, a gold medalist in basketball, Christy Yamaguchi, a gold medalist in skating, and Brandy Chastain, 4 medals in soccer. So our Governor's Council on Physical Fitness and Mental Well-Being really wants to show how this award can highlight how mental well-being and being active go together. They aren't separate things. So each of us, if we were just to get up and walk 10 minutes a day, could improve our own mental well-being.
I like this so much, and I think it's great that CalHOPE has been a part of this. And could you tell our viewers what CalHOPE is and how it can help when in regards to talking to mental health?
Well, CalHOPE is a set of tools and resources for everyone in California that's been impacted by COVID-19. And who hasn't? Yeah. We've all seen and been impacted by measures that we should all be taking. We should all be getting vaccinated. We should be wearing masks. We should be washing our hands. All those simple things that we can do to protect ourselves and those we love. So CalHOPE at calhope.org has a variety of resources, simple things like mindfulness, that we take a little bit of time to breathe and to take a moment to recenter ourselves. So if each day we spent just a couple moments thinking about gratitude and things that we're thankful for, and took a moment to just take a chance to breathe a little bit deeper, some of the stress and anxiety that we're all feeling would go away. So just a little bit of grace and respect for each other can go a long ways in these times when we're all feeling stressed.
Yeah, I think you definitely hit that important point. We're all feeling the stress right now. And can you tell us about some of the nominees for this award?
Well, we'd love to do that, but They haven't been announced yet. So I appreciate that you want that teaser. But in early March, we will be announcing our first award winners. There'll be an award winner each month in March, April, and May. And then we will be selecting 2 as our this school year awardee winners. And a donation will be made to each of their colleges to support their mental health programs. So we're very excited that we're soliciting nominees, and we would love to come back and introduce you to some of our winners.
Yeah, definitely. I was going to say, you're leaving us with a teaser there. It's kind of a to be continued until we can find out, but we'll definitely have to have you back. And Dr. Kohler, thank you so much for telling me and our viewers all about this award. For more information about this, visit CalHOPECourageAward.com.